In this video, I will show you how to see your Gmail forgotten password on your Android phone or iPhone without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, click on the profile icon from the top. Click on that. The next thing you want to do right here is simply scroll down right here. Go to Password Manager. Then it's going to take you to all the safe password right here. All you have to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you click on google.com right here. Once you click on google.com, verify your identity, and boom, you have access back to it. Then just like so, then you have your Gmail account right here. Then you have your Gmail account right here, and you have your password right here. For you to fill the password, simply click on this icon, and then your password is going to be refilled. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.